This is what is known as the harmonic series. We can write the summation notation as follows. The question that we're trying to solve is whether this series converges or diverges. Let's take a look at some numbers. So the first 100 term of the harmonic sequence adds to 5.187, and 1000th term adds to 7.486, and 1 millionth term adds to 14.392. Now, in order for it to be over 100, the sum to be over 100, n needs to be over 44 digits. What this proves is that the number is getting bigger and bigger as you add more term. Here's the proof. We're going to be using the comparison test to prove that the harmonic series diverges. This is what the direct comparison test states. If the larger series converges, the smaller series must also converge. If the smaller series diverges, the larger series must also diverge. To prove that harmonic series diverges, we're going to be using the second one. So right now what we're trying to do is write a series that is smaller than the harmonic series. And if we can prove that the smaller series diverges, then the larger series or the harmonic series also diverges. The first step in doing that is grouping them. This is where it gets a bit confusing, but you should be able to understand it. Is we need to group them by looking at all the 1/2 terms. So 1/2 to the power of 0 is 1, 1/2 to the power of 1 is 1/2, and then 1/4, and then 1/8, 1/16 as follows. Now, what we need to do is put a close parenthesis after those terms. So 1/4, we put a close parenthesis and then start a new one, and then put in a close parenthesis after 1/8, and we're going to be doing that for the rest of the term. Since we're using the comparison test, we need to write a new series that is smaller than the harmonic series. And we can do that by here 1/3 and 1/4. We're going to be picking the smallest term and then replacing all the other term with the smallest term. So in the next group, you have the smallest term is 1/8, so we're gonna replace 1/8 with 1/5, 1/6, and 1/7. Now if you simplify this, you will notice that everything simplifies to 1/2. So 1/4 plus 1/4 is 2/4 also, or 1/2, and then 4/8 is also 1/2, and this will just go on for the rest of the series. Now we know the smaller series that we created diverges. We can use the comparison test to prove the harmonic series also diverges because it is the larger series. Now we should know why the harmonic series diverges.